All right, what's going on, guys? Got another unboxing going in. I make sure the labels fit. Okay, cool. Shipping label. Y'all ain't gonna find my address. Anyways, unboxing. I think this is about a $1,200 value. I think I'll have to double check my 11, 1200. Definitely not what I paid for it, but let's get this thing open. Try to be a little careful because it is electronics in there. So, okay, looks like we're safe. All right. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay, looks good. We'll start with these ones. I don't know why these have such. I'm not a gamer, so I don't know. But these are Sony's gaming. They're called a H9, the InZone H9s. So got a set of these. The problem with these is these pads at the top. Sony did a horrible job with them. So Sony, the pads on them deteriorate. So almost all of them come back. And a lot of times that's the reason. The headphones are perfect. But when that deteriorates, people get upset, take them back, and they want a new pair. So that's usually the issue with these guys here. Just that pad deteriorating. And then with these here, looks like there's one in this color. These here, these are the, I think the 700 model. Yeah, WHCH720Ns. So these are in the blue ones, brand spanking new. Problem is people get them and they go home and they go, you know what, I don't like the blue, and so they go back and exchange them for another one. Or same with, so I have one pair of those in blue, and then there is two pair of that same model, but these are in black. So same exact headphones, same models and everything, but they are black. I kind of like the black, just nice, super sleek. These guys here retail for $299 on these ones. These are $299. So we got $299. No, sorry, $249. Sorry, $249. $249, $240, $249. So that's $750. That gaming set, I don't know why it has a retail of $300. So $750. That's $1,050. Okay, and then here is, oh, that's just the second set. And then this is the last one. These are the ones that really they were gotten for. This is Sony's top of the line. Sony doesn't make anything better than this when it comes to their headphones. These things are super nice. These are something like, I can't remember the model number off the top of my head, WH1005XM or something like that. Oh, here we go. WH1000XM5 black. These things, my kid tested them last night. He reset them, factory reset, listened to them. He said they're amazing. He's actually trying to hustle me for them, but it ain't going to happen. So, empty package. With this one here, again, this company that I go through for this specific item, the Sony's, perfect. They're amazing. That's all I can say. They're amazing. So that's another unboxing on there. What do they say? Like, comment, follow, ask me questions, make fun of me, do whatever you want to do, but start doing it, because if I get enough people starting to get onto this thing, I'm going to start doing these once, twice, 3 times a week. I will start doing contests, giveaways, all that kinds of stuff, man. Let's blow this channel up. Like, let's do it. Come on, y'all.